All right, cool. What part of Washington D.C.? I went to school in Washington D.C. I lived in that area for 6 years. So let me know what part of DC, or maybe you went out to school there. Maybe we went to the same school. Who knows? I don't know if you guys know this, but Washington D.C. has a large number of universities. When I was there, I think it was 13 universities in the greater Washington D.C. area. I don't think it's changed since then, but yeah, quite a few universities in the Washington D.C. area. So let us know more about that, madam. So if I see other joiners on Instagram. If you guys, if this is your first time or you haven't done the global roll call yet, please go ahead and include your city, state, and country that you are participating from. Again, part of the reason I do this is to kind of keep everything inclusive. I don't want people to feel like they have to be some really amazing, experienced data scientist to participate. Anybody can participate in these live streams. You know, we're all at different levels. We're all at different experience levels with our practice of data science. So please, you know, don't be shy. Just let us know where you're from.